1. Right foot, side, together. Forward shuffle. Left foot, forward rock, recover. Left half turn, left foot, forward shuffle. Section 2. Left quarter turn, right foot, side, together. Forward shuffle. Left foot, forward rock, recover. Left quarter turn, left chasse, step. Section 1 to count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3. Right foot, bend rock, recover. Kick, ball, cross. Right foot, side rock, recover. Right quarter turn, sailor, step. Section 4. Left foot, forward. Right foot, behind, toe touch. Back, lock step. Right foot, back, lock, back. Left foot, back, right foot, hook. Forward lock step, step, lock, step. Section 3, 4, count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 5. Modify rumba box. Left foot, side, together. Side, together, forward. Right foot, side, together. Side, together, back. Section 6. Two back. Left, right. Mambo back. Left foot, bend rock, recover, forward. Right foot, forward step. Left pivot, quarter turn. Right foot, cross shuffle. Section 5, 6, count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 7. Modify Monterey turn. Left foot, side, point. Left half turn, together. Right foot, side rock, recover, together. Left foot, cross rock, recover. Left side, sway, left, right, left. Section 8. Right foot, cross rock, recover. Chasse quarter turn, right foot, side, together. Right quarter turn, right foot, forward. Left forward, right pivot, half turn. Left foot, side rock, recover, cross. Section 7, 8, count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Full count. 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.